A clogged catalytic converter can make your car feel weak, slow, and less fuel efficient, often causing the engine to struggle. Luckily, there are simple and effective methods you can try at home to clean it before considering an expensive replacement. Before trying any method, it is important to make sure the problem is actually a clogged catalytic converter, and not a faulty sensor, dirty throttle body, or weak fuel pump. If you are confident that the converter is clogged, but not broken internally, you can try several safe and simple ways to fix it. The first and easiest method is using a high-quality catalytic converter cleaner. This requires no tools and works best when the converter is mildly clogged. You simply pour the recommended amount of cleaner into your fuel tank when it is half full. Then, drive the car for at least 20 to 30 minutes at highway speed. The idea is to heat up the catalytic converter enough for the cleaner to burn away carbon deposits. Many people make the mistake of short trips, which do not let the exhaust reach proper temperature, so make sure your drive is long and steady. Over time, this can dissolve light blockages and improve engine performance. Lacquer thinner is a strong solvent that can help break down stubborn carbon deposits inside a catalytic converter. It effectively loosens soot, grease, and other buildup that may restrict exhaust flow. To use, open the fuel tank cap, and using a funnel, carefully add a full canister of lacquer thinner into the fuel tank. After adding, take the car on a long drive at highway speed to allow the thinner to mix with the fuel and burn off carbon deposits. This process helps improve engine performance and restores proper airflow through the catalytic converter. A fuel injector cleaner kit effectively removes carbon deposits from fuel injectors, ensuring proper fuel spray and combustion. This improves engine efficiency, reduces emissions, and helps prevent the catalytic converter from clogging. Start by removing the oxygen sensor to check how dirty or clogged the catalytic converter is. Disconnect the wire harness and any wire clips attached to the sensor. Next, spray WD-40 on the sensor threads a few times and let it sit for a few minutes so it can penetrate properly. After about 4 minutes, use a 22mm wrench to loosen and remove the oxygen sensor, being careful not to twist or damage the wires. Now, if you have an endoscope camera, hook it up and inspect the inside of the catalytic converter to check its condition. Even if you do not have a camera, it is not a big deal. Just insert the camera if available to see how many of the honeycomb holes are clogged. Let's move to the cleaning process. Take a bottle, fill half of it with water, and fill the rest with carpet cleaner, or any catalytic converter cleaner you prefer. Pour the entire mixture into the pressure canister until it is full, and then close the cap securely. Connect the air hose, and set the pressure regulator to around 60 psi. When you open the lower valve, the cleaner will begin to spray, so place the spray tip into the oxygen sensor hole, and open the lower valve fully to inject the cleaner into the catalytic converter. After a few minutes, the cleaner will finish spraying, so close the lower valve. Reinstall the oxygen sensor, reconnect all wire clips, and start the engine. Let the engine run for a few minutes and then allow it to cool down. By using this effective method, you can successfully unclog a catalytic converter and improve your vehicle's performance. Throttle body or air intake cleaner helps break down carbon buildup inside the catalytic converter. Using it ensures better exhaust flow, improves engine performance, and makes unclogging the converter more effective. Use a socket and turn the sensor counterclockwise to loosen the oxygen sensor. Make sure the exhaust is cool and not hot before working. Carefully loop the wiring out of the way, and then continue turning the sensor until it comes out completely. Next, take a throttle body or air intake cleaner and insert the spray straw into the oxygen sensor hole. Spray the cleaner directly into the catalytic converter. Since the converter will be hot, wait about 5 minutes and spray it again as much as you can. After another 5 minutes, give it one more strong spray. Take the sensor and spray cleaner on it as well if you see any carbon buildup. Let the sensor sit for a few minutes so the cleaner can work. Then reinstall the sensor back into place. After everything is tightened, leave the car parked and untouched for about 40 minutes to let the cleaner soak and break down the carbon inside. This method will help loosen carbon deposits and improve airflow through the catalytic converter for better performance. By following these cleaning methods, you can effectively unclog a catalytic converter, improve engine performance, and extend the life of your vehicle's exhaust system. Regular maintenance helps prevent future clogs.